welcome back to another video. Literally just woke up. I'm supposed to get dressed, eat, wash up, and then make the train in the next 45 minutes. So now that I've woken up, fit of the day: red cap, Corvette t-shirt, shorts, and slides. Let's get after it. All right, so before I leave, I just want to quickly say where I got into cars, where my interest comes from. 2 years ago, when I got my own car, I started liking cars, and ever since then, that's been one of my biggest hobbies. All right, so we're walking to the station now. There's the tracks. Going to meet up with one of my friends who you guys haven't met. This kid I worked with, his name is Luca. Yo, you say you've never been to a car show?
Never in my life have I been to a car show. This is my first ever car show. I got really high expectations because I'm told this is like a crazy big deal in the city. So excited to see how it is.
Yeah, I mean, it should be pretty sick. I've seen pictures of like supercars and like hypercars, some crazy stuff. So this is gonna set your expectations pretty high. my it's Koenigsegg.
Holy shit.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. All right, now how do I put this in drive?
Come on now, bro. What is this? Oh my.
Something's missing, bro.
Yo, just use your finger.
Oh yeah, type. Stole another car.
Yo, this is my new, this is my future car right here, bro. I'm telling you.
Yeah, you're bugging, bro. Yo, what are you doing, bro? Is the horn work?
Imagine. Yo, where's the oh, give me the horn.
Yo, come on, let's get freaky in the back. What are you doing, bro? I got an ice cream scoop hair, bro. Oh, nah, I got fluffy hair.
Let me try that one.
So that's it for the car show.
I came in with high expectations, and it was exactly what I thought it would be like. I mean, saw some amazing cars, obviously Koenigsegg, saw Bugatti, 10 out of 10 experience. I'll definitely go with it.
All right. Back home, but if you thought the video was over, you guys are sorely mistaken. I'm going to be going to a local car show and seeing some cars actually driving. Let's get it. We in Belmore for the car show. Let's get it. Alright, so that's going to be it for this vlog. But if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment down below. It was really sick seeing one of my dream cars. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.